Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to consolidate your debts using Bright. Debt consolidation can simplify your payments, and Bright can help you do it with clarity and confidence. First, link all your credit cards and accounts to Bright. This gives you a full picture of your total debt, your interest rates, as well as payment schedules. Bright then analyzes whether you're a good candidate for consolidation, such as having a personal loan or a balance transfer card with a lower interest rate. You're going to receive tailored recommendations for the best consolidation options available to you, based of course on your credit profile and payment history. Once you choose a method, Bright helps you to manage the transition, tracking new payment schedules and avoiding missed payments. It also continues making smart automatic payments on your consolidated debts, helping you to pay it off faster while saving on interest. With Bright, debt consolidation becomes less confusing and a lot more efficient. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.